Alkaline foods. 12 alkaline foods to eat frequently. Your body functions the best in an alkaline state. Unfortunately, most people follow disease-making Western diets that are high in acidic food and low in alkaline, and this can lead to heart conditions, a stroke, cancer, skin disorders, autoimmune conditions, allergies, and the list goes on. The solutions to the problems is adding alkaline food to your daily diet, which will help balance the pH levels of fluids present in the body. In today's video, we will share with you 12 alkaline foods to eat frequently. Number 1. Lemon. Lemons are extremely high in alkaline minerals, such as potassium and magnesium that have alkalinizing effects in your body. The citric acid is highly acidic in its natural state, but once eaten, the citric acid gets metabolized and has a great alkaline outcome on your body. Lemons are a good source of calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B complex, as well as pectin fiber and carbohydrates. They also contain strong antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties. Apart from having potent detoxifying and cleansing effects on the body, lemons help improve digestion, aid weight loss, support skin health, boost immunity, and prevent infections. What is your favorite way to include lemon in your diet? Do you prefer a lemonade, lemon soda, or lemon squeezed directly on your salad? Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers can quickly neutralize acids, aid digestion. The nutritional profile of cucumber is very impressive as well. They are an excellent source of vitamin K, C, and different B vitamins. Cucumber is also rich in copper, amino acids, soluble and insoluble fiber, carbohydrates, potassium, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, biotin, and silica. The best part is that cucumber is low in calories. They also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Including cucumber in your diet can help you reduce your risk of heart disease, improve digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and fight different types of cancers. They also keep your body hydrated due to their high water content. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Beet Greens. They are one of the world's most alkaline, nutrient-dense foods. Although beet greens aren't the most popular greens in our diet, their high alkalinity score makes them the best addition to smoothies. In addition to being highly alkaline, beet greens also have a bitter quality that may help stimulate bioproductions to help you better digest fats. Beet greens can replace any greens in salad, soups, or smoothies. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are also known as potassium sticks, are another highly alkaline food that you don't want to keep out of your diet. Bananas are also a great source of fibers that help promote digestive regulation and sweep toxins out of your digestive tract. While most people avoid bananas to prevent weight gain due to their high sugar content, eating bananas is far better for you than eating any other processed food that is full of sugar. Number 5. Tofu. Tofu is an alkaline food derived from soybeans. So much of its beneficial facts can similarly be obtained by consuming soy-based products. Be sure to only look out for only organic soy products, since there might be modified soy products in the market which are cheaper but not healthy. Tofu is an almost great derivative of soybean curds. It is low in calories but a verified source of protein and iron. It also contains a great amount of isoflavones which can be defending against age-related heart and brain disease. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelons usually gain popularity as a daily diet during the summer, but it should also be a part of your diet throughout the year. Not only is it packed with water and nutrients, but it also possesses an alkaline pH which can be extremely beneficial in improving your overall health. It is also well known that watermelon contains certain essential vitamins and minerals. It is also rich in antioxidants, which makes it an anti-cancer fruit. The high fiber content that is present in watermelon is good for maintaining healthy bowels and a healthy heart. Number 7. Kale. The vegetable everyone hates is one of the most alkaline foods on our list. This is because kale is a top-notch source of energy, rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. This green leafy vegetable also possesses high alkaline properties and is a great addition to your diet, whether it is served raw form or after cooking. It is also rich in flavonoids, which are a group of nutrients specific to the plants that are thought to be the reason the vegetables are so nutritious. Flavonoids have anti-inflammatory and possibly anti-cancer properties. Number 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are a welcome alkaline food to add to any smoothie or salad. It is an antioxidant-rich berry. Daily blueberry consumption has been linked to more favorable heart health in long term, such that the individuals that ate them daily reduced the risk for heart disease by up to 15%. Furthermore, blueberries are prized for antioxidant properties, meaning that they reduce oxidative stress on our body that can lead to aging. These qualities of blueberries are also great for improving brain health as well. Number 9. Apricot. This is where it should be made clear that processing matters when determining alkalinity. Eating food raw, cooked, dried, or boiled has the potential to change much of the chemical makeup that makes the food so beneficial in the first place. This is especially true for apricots. Apricots are high in alkalinity when served raw, but dried, their alkaline content skyrockets. The belief is that dehydrating not only enhances flavor but also the nutrients that make apricots healthy. However, keep caution if you think dried fruits are a better choice than raw. Number 10. Green beans. Another green diamond to add to our routine is green beans. Green beans are popular throughout the world and for good reason. They taste great and can be incorporated easily into most recipes due to their mild flavor. Among the alkaline foods for your body, green beans have a very high silicone content. Studies have shown that your connective tissues and bones need silicone. Green beans being full of silicone may prove to be beneficial for your bones. Number 11. Avocados. Avocados help remove acidic waste and encourage a more alkaline environment in your body. Avocados have a creamy green appearance and are full of nutrients. Avocados contain dietary fiber, folate, potassium, selenium, and a good amount of healthy fats, along with vitamin K, C, B5, and A. They also contain strong antioxidants such as beta-carotene and many others. Adding avocado to your diet will aid weight loss, fight inflammation, and boost your heart health. Number 12. Garlic. A true miracle food, garlic is an alkaline food that improves overall well-being. The main compound of garlic is allicin, which is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and possesses antioxidant properties. Also, garlic has nutrients including vitamin B1, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Also contain manganese, calcium, copper, selenium, and many others. Garlic aids detoxification by increasing the production of antioxidants, which helps filter toxins from your digestive system. This is an alkaline forming food. It also provides many other health benefits. It boosts cardio health, improves immune health, lowers blood pressure, and supports liver function. People who want to adopt an alkaline diet should make sure they have enough protein to consume. Many that can consume enough protein on an alkaline diet should try it comfortably. Although the alkaline diet does not necessarily alter the pH of the blood, it does help people consume a wide variety of nutritious foods and enhance general health. People with severe medical issues or a history of food complications should contact a doctor before they try their diet. Will you include these foods into your diet after watching this video? Please let me know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.